So after watching the reunion, Love is Blind season 5, I think it's fair to say that nobody held Lydia accountable for her actions when it comes to Alia and how she sabotaged Alia's chances. See, they spent so much time talking about Milton and how much of a grown-up he was, and they sort of shielded Lydia. In a sense, I guess maybe because that's the only successful couple they've had this season, so maybe they had to shield her, but nobody held her accountable for what she did to Alia and some of her questionable behaviors, revealing what Uche's life and things that she was not supposed to say, really, she did anyway. So nobody held her accountable, which is a shame. I don't know why. Unfair to Alia in all sense and purposes, because why did they bring Alia up on that show when they knew that they're not really going to hold Lydia accountable? And because Uche was not there, I'm not saying Uche is a saint. He's not a saint by any means. He's a character with questionable issues all by themselves. But they sort of dumped everything on Uche because he was not there to defend himself. Although he, if he had been there, it would have been better, because then he would have had to answer a lot of questions. But they kind of shifted everything on Uche, who wasn't there, and did not hold Lydia accountable at all. And they skipped that scene where, when they were talking in the pods, Lydia and Uche realize they're talking to exes, and then Lydia actually says, "Do you want us to stop now and just start from zero?" Like, she was ready to leave the whole place, to leave with Uche. So I don't know why they would skip all that and act like that never happened, like she wasn't willing to go out with Uche all over again. So very strange that they've acted like none of that happened, and they're acting like we never saw that and didn't hold her accountable. But hey ho, she says she's found her happy ending. Happy days.